Is America's gold reserve a myth? Shocking evidence suggests the biggest cover-up in history. What really happened to the missing gold? Let's uncover the truth. Welcome to the investigation of America's biggest cover-up, the mystery of the U.S. gold reserves. Today we delve into Fort Knox, a symbol of wealth and secrecy. For decades, this fortress-like structure has captivated the imagination of many, shrouded in intrigue and unanswered questions. Is it merely a vault of gold, or does it hold secrets far beyond our understanding? The U.S. claims to possess over 8,000 tons of gold, yet no one has laid eyes on it in years. This has led to a whirlwind of speculation and doubt. Fort Knox stands as a testament to America's economic might, but also raises questions about government transparency. Why has there been no comprehensive audit in decades? What truths lie hidden within those impenetrable walls? As we embark on this journey, we will explore the historical significance of Fort Knox, tracing its origins back to the Great Depression. We will uncover how it became a sanctuary for the nation's wealth, a bulwark against economic uncertainty. But more importantly, we will question the veracity of the claims surrounding it. Prepare to challenge your perceptions as we navigate through history, speculation, and the quest for truth. The enigma of Fort Knox is not just about gold. It's a story of power, secrecy, and the relentless pursuit of transparency. Join us as we unravel one of the greatest mysteries of our time. During the Great Depression, the U.S. government took a bold step to stabilize the economy by seizing privately held gold from citizens, forever altering the nation's financial landscape. This gold was meticulously collected and transported to a newly constructed fortress, Fort Knox. Built in Kentucky, Fort Knox was designed to be impenetrable, a safe haven for the country's newfound wealth. By 1941, the U.S. gold reserves peaked at over 20,000 metric tons, marking a period of immense financial power for the United States and positioning it as a global leader in economic stability. However, the story of Fort Knox is not just about numbers and vaults. It's a tale of how the U.S. amassed such a staggering amount of gold, woven with ambition, strategy, and controversy. As we explore this historical acquisition, we begin to understand the complexities and implications of these actions, both then and now. The gold reserves of the past continue to cast long shadows over the present, inviting us to question what truly lies behind the fortified walls of Fort Knox today. Join us as we unravel the layers of history that brought us to this pivotal moment. As we delve deeper into the enigma of America's gold reserves, a glaring issue emerges: the valuation discrepancies. Officially, the U.S. Treasury values gold at 42.22 cents per ounce, a figure unchanged since the 1970s. Meanwhile, the market value of gold has soared, often fluctuating around $1,800 per ounce or higher. Why has this outdated valuation persisted for so long? Some argue it allows the government to mask the true financial position. Others suggest it might be a strategic move to stabilize the economy by maintaining a low book value. Whatever the reason, it casts doubt over the authenticity of the reserves themselves. These valuation inconsistencies aren't just numbers on a ledger, they have real implications. If the gold reserves are indeed less than claimed, it could undermine confidence in the US dollar. Moreover, it fuels speculation and skepticism among the public and financial experts alike. Without a comprehensive audit in decades, the true state of America's gold remains shrouded in secrecy. In the shadowy corridors of speculation, whispers about the authenticity of Fort Knox's gold continue to echo. Is the gold we believe to be there truly present, or is it merely a phantom of our economic imagination? Numerous theories have emerged over the years, challenging the very foundation of what we know, or think we know, about America's gold reserves. Some claim that the gold bars stored within Fort Knox's heavily guarded vaults may not be genuine. Theories suggest that counterfeit bars could have been swapped in, casting doubt on the integrity of this national treasure. The notion of fake gold may seem far-fetched, yet it fuels the fire of skepticism among the public, who are left to wonder what lies behind those impenetrable walls. Adding another layer to the mystery are rumors of secret loans. There are claims that portions of the gold might have been quietly loaned out to foreign entities or financial institutions. Such actions, if true, would raise profound questions about the transparency and accountability of government dealings concerning these reserves. Public skepticism is further intensified by the lack of comprehensive audits. The absence of recent, thorough inspections opens the door to doubt and fuels the imagination of conspiracy theorists. For decades, the American public has been left in the dark, with only the government's word as assurance of the gold's existence. This veil of secrecy not only breeds suspicion, but also challenges the credibility of those who guard the nation's wealth. As we unravel these theories, one thing becomes clear. The need for transparency is more pressing than ever. Without it, the enigma of Fort Knox will continue to loom large, a testament to the power of speculation and the enduring allure of secrecy. As we delve deeper into the world of gold trading, we find banks at the heart of a complex web of strategies and transactions. These financial giants are not just passive holders of gold, they are actively engaged in moving vast quantities across the Atlantic, between the bustling financial hubs of London and New York. This transatlantic shuffle isn't merely about transportation. It's a calculated dance influenced by price discrepancies and market conditions. The global gold market is a dynamic arena where prices can vary significantly between regions. Banks exploit these differences through a process known as arbitrage, buying gold where it's cheaper and selling where it's more expensive. This practice isn't just about profit, it's a critical component of maintaining liquidity and stability in the financial markets. However, the implications of these movements extend beyond mere economics. They raise questions about the transparency and security of U.S. gold reserves. If banks are so deeply involved in these trades, what does it say about the actual state of our gold holdings? Are these movements indicative of a larger, undisclosed strategy? In a world where the value of gold still underpins the global economy, understanding these banking strategies is crucial. They not only highlight the complexities of gold trading, but also underscore the need for transparency in how these precious resources are managed. As we reach the end of our journey into the enigma of America's gold reserves, we find ourselves still enveloped in mystery. Despite our deep dive into historical acquisitions, valuation discrepancies, and rampant speculation, the truth remains elusive. The U.S. government claims to hold over 8,000 tons of gold, yet the lack of a comprehensive audit for decades leaves us questioning its authenticity. From the historic halls of Fort Knox to the bustling gold trades between London and New York, the narrative is riddled with uncertainty. The official valuation of gold, locked at a mere $42.22 per ounce, starkly contrasts with its soaring market price, raising suspicions about the actual state of these reserves. Meanwhile, theories abound. Some suggest counterfeit bars, others whisper of secret loans. Yet without transparency, these remain just that, speculations. The role of banks in the global gold market adds another layer of complexity. Their strategic movements and arbitrage practices highlight the intricate web of economic maneuvers that impact not just the U.S., but the world economy at large. In this era of information, where access to truth is paramount, the call for transparency and accountability grows louder. It's a call not just for clarity on the status of our nation's gold, but for an honest dialogue about the implications on our economy and currency. We must ask ourselves, why the secrecy? What are the broader economic practices at play? As citizens, it's crucial to question and demand answers. The mystery of America's missing gold is not just a tale of wealth and secrecy, it's a reflection of our collective need for openness and integrity in government affairs. So as we close this chapter, let us carry forward the quest for truth. Stay informed, stay curious, and continue to challenge the narratives that shape our understanding of economic realities. The story of America's gold is far from over, and the pursuit of transparency is more critical than ever.